To create a scout in Field Ops, we will first go to Activities on the left-hand side. Then we'll change Operations to Scouting. Once in Scouting, we will hit the little plus button on the bottom right-hand corner. It should open up a new window for us. Here you can select the date you wish to create your report for. If you have any operators set up in your Field Ops account, you can select an operator that had recorded the scout. Here we can select the field that we are creating our scout for. Once we have our field selected, we can put a pin down for the location of our scout. And then the crop, we can select which crop we would like, the variety, the seed date, emergence date, and the growth stage if you wish. Observation, here we can change our category to custom disease, insect, pest, or weed. If you are marking a rock, we can just select custom, call it rock, and here we can select the severity of it. If you have any pictures of the observation itself, you can upload those here. You can add any comments you wish. And at the bottom of the status here, you can select whether it is open or closed. Once you have all the information that you wish in your report here, you can either click save or save and add another if you have another one to create. And that's how you create a scout in Field Ops.